Hello guys, welcome back to curiousscan. It has been a long time since we met, and today I am going to show you how to create a powerful free virtual machine with around 6 CPU cores and 17 gigabytes RAM. So, watch this video till the end. First, open the Red Hat link from my Telegram channel in your browser. This will give you access to a free developer sandbox trial for around 30 days. Now click on Start Your Trial, and then click on Register Your Account. Fill in your details like email, password, full name, profession, and job role. In the company section, you can type anything you want. After that, fill in your address details. Now accept the terms and conditions and click on Create My Account. You will receive a sign-in link on your email. Open that link in your browser. After logging in, tick the I have read and agree option again. Now an additional information page will open. Tick the bottom 3 boxes and click Submit. Your account has now been created successfully. Now click on Try It in front of OpenShift and then select Core Platform. From the drop-down menu, choose Virtualization and then click on Virtual Machines. Now click on Create Virtual Machine and select the From Template option. Choose CentOS Stream 9. Now open the CPU and memory section and edit the values. Set the CPU to 6 and the memory to 17 gigabytes. If you want, you can also configure a public SSH key, but for beginners, this is optional. Now click on Quick Create Virtual Machine. Within a few seconds, your VM will be ready. Now start the virtual machine and wait for it to boot. After that, click on Open Web Console. A Linux terminal will now open directly inside your browser. At the top, you will see the guest username and password. Copy and paste them to log in. After logging in, the first thing we are going to do is update the machine using a command. All important commands will be available in the video description. Now, let us check if Python is installed. Python is already installed, and if we check the version, you can see that the latest version is available. One important thing to remember is that this is not a permanent VPS. For beginners, this is actually a great free way to learn Linux and cloud systems. You can use it for Telegram bots, Discord bots, scripts, and lightweight projects. If this video helped you, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.